What if I told you that every goal you've ever dreamed of is only one decision away? Think about it. Just one choice can set the entire course of your life in motion. That's how powerful decision making is. When it comes to achieving your goals, decisions aren't just actions. They're declarations of who you want to be and where you want to go. The question isn't if you'll make decisions, it's how you'll make them. Will they push you closer to your goals or pull you further away? The truth is, many people let fear, doubt, or hesitation dictate their choices. They overthink, delay, or avoid making decisions altogether. But here's the reality. Indecision is still a decision. By standing still, you're actively choosing to stay where you are. So, how do you make better decisions? Here are 5 steps that will completely change the game. Step 1. Get crystal clear on your goals. You can't make a great decision if you don't know what you're aiming for. Imagine trying to shoot an arrow without a target. It's impossible to hit anything meaningful. Define your goals in detail. Don't just say, I want to be successful. What does success look like for you? Is it starting your own business, landing your dream job, or living a healthier lifestyle? The clearer your goal, the easier it is to make decisions that align with it. Step 2. Consider the long-term impact. Every decision has a ripple effect. Ask yourself, will this choice bring me closer to my goal or take me further away? Sometimes the right decision isn't the easiest or the most convenient. For example, skipping a night out to study might feel like a sacrifice now, but in the long term, it could be the step that gets you closer to your dream career. The best decisions often require trading short-term comfort for long-term success. Step 3. Don't let fear control you. Fear is one of the biggest obstacles to good decision-making. Fear of failure, fear of making the wrong choice, fear of judgment. But here's the secret. No decision is ever perfect. You'll never have all the information, and that's okay. What matters is taking action. Even if you make a mistake, you'll learn something valuable that will guide your next decision. Remember, progress is better than perfection. Step 4. Trust your instincts, but verify them. Sometimes your gut instinct knows what's best before your brain does. But relying solely on instinct can be risky. Pair your intuition with logic. For example, if you feel excited about a new opportunity, take a step back and analyze it. Does it align with your goals? What are the risks? Balancing intuition and reason leads to smarter, more confident choices. Step 5. Commit and take action. Once you've made a decision, commit to it fully. Wavering or second-guessing will only slow you down. Instead, focus your energy on executing that choice as effectively as possible. And remember, even if things don't go as planned, you're still moving forward. Every decision teaches you something valuable, and every step, no matter how small, gets you closer to your goal. But decision-making doesn't stop at taking action. To truly master this skill, you need a system to evaluate and adjust your choices over time. And that's exactly what we'll explore next.